This is Gizmo. He's real high strung. Kinda like a crackhead. He's got a really bad attitude problem, as you can probably tell. The best way I like to explain him, he's like the kid in school who would make up lies and go tell the teacher that his mom was hitting him just because. But I love him anyway. It's kind of cute though, right? I guess. Gotta love that face. See? Look at the camera. Say hi. No? Okay. And this is Yoda. If he'll get his butt up. And he's real sweet. Like the sweetest. He's a little free spirit. He's a sweetheart. He never gets mad. He's a little shy. That's okay. I love him too. And Gizmo's like real jealous right now. Yoda has really bad anxiety. Well, yeah, let's sum that up.